Out of there.
Oh, look how shaky he
Whoa!
is.
Oh, you cleared it.
Well, come on.
You can't make it look easy, okay? You can't make it look
I
easy.
love that though.
You probably won't be learning this move. It's too difficult, so good luck. Done slowly, it looks kind of bad. But done in real speed, looks ridiculously fast.
Yeah.
Where's the cardistry strippers?
Go, 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 go.
All right, ready?
Cuckoo!
Cuckoo.
Welcome, guys. These are my peeps. This is Corey. This is Angelo, and today they're going to learn probably one of the hardest moves. You guys aren't going to learn this. You guys are just.
I don't know, man. I think I'll do it.
Is this?
Hell yeah.
So it's that.
I'm ready.
You guys watching will probably not be able to do this move, and I'll be very surprised if you can even stumble through this move because it's a very difficult move, but it's a change of pace.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is not the move you're learning. All right, so first thing you gotta do is hold the deck in mechanic's grip, as you will, right?
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful. Can you guys do the Charlie A cut, which is this? Oh, Angelo just pulls it off. Oh!
Oh, I'm not even.
Boy, I should be like, yeah. All right, if you guys can do the Charlie A cut, you're kind of halfway there. Not really, I just say that to make you feel good. Charlie A, right? So you get to the get, so, but instead of actually pushing it up with your index finger, you don't do that. You just keep that packed there the whole time, right?
Okay.
Now, can you guys re-grip everything with just 3 fingers? Yeah.
2 fingers.
Sorry, 2. Okay, index and thumb, right? So you can see how you can kind of do this, right? Like you can kind of pivot it a little bit. You have a little bit of freedom. Twist it away from you. So you push with the thumb outward. This is kind of hard. So your ring finger, right here where your ring would be, goes all the way to the back where your thumb is. So you get this weird position. So push it away from you,
Okay.
all the way. Oh, look at that, you got it. So put it down right there, exactly. You see where my ring finger is? Yeah, exactly. So you can almost let go of the thumb now, right?
Hold it.
No,
Very
you just hold it. Yeah, look, you could just literally hold it with just these fingers. I did not think this tutorial would pretty much end here.
We're doing so great.
No, that's good right there.
Good.
So the middle finger's right there on the short edge like this. Yep, perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now you can see how you can kind of riffle down with the thumb on this pack,
Okay.
right? On the short edge right here. Yeah, exactly. So you're going to riffle down about half of that.
Okay.
Yeah, or whatever you can get. You got it?
Okay.
You got it? Yeah, if you want to use your other hand, do it. And then you're going to put your thumb right where your ring finger is right here.
Okay.
How? How?
So just put
I
your
have
thumb.
to
Yeah, that's
use
okay.
both hands.
Put it on the corner right here. Bam! All right, right there. And now you're going to take it with the thumb, take that out of there, rotate it out. Out, out, out. Yeah. All right, you're doing it.
I can't
Out of
hold it.
there. Out of there.
Oh, look how shaky he
Whoa!
is.
Oh, you cleared it.
Well, come Come on.
Easy, okay? You can't make it look
I
easy.
love that though. No, when I used to perform cardistry when I was a kid, that's how my hands would look too. Like, hey guys, I've been working on this move. It's the nerves.
No.
You guys ever do that? You guys ever just no? Okay. Stop there. Stop there. Don't
I
get ahead of
can't
yourself.
hold it.
No, just hold it. Use your other hand to fix it.
No.
All right. So you cleared it. You cleared it. Go ahead. Keep going, Corey. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, that's okay. Clear it. Yeah, you cleared it. All right. Good. Are you guys following? I don't know. Why am I asking questions to the lens like they're gonna know? Like they're gonna live respond?
Dude, they will. Comment below.
Yeah. Did you guys answer me? Comment below. Yeah, I don't know. So good. So now you're going to let that thumb packet drop. Perfect.
Wait, which packet? This packet?
This packet, the thumb packet. Bam. All right. Now this packet, you guys are gonna go back with the thumb to where the ring is. So you can see, Corey, how you can rotate it with those 3 fingers, right? You can rotate it. Rotate it that way. Yep. And now the thumb goes right to the long edge. Yes. Got it. And just you're back in the Charlier position.
Wait,
And then I just close it?
Or yeah. Take it. Yeah, right. Hold it there. Hold it there. Wait. Now we're gonna do the revolution cut. This is what's about to happen. You rotate this packet away from you. No, not towards you, away from you. Yeah, so with the thumb is pushing out.
okay.
No, that's the other way, Angela.
Okay.
There we go. Right there. You guys got it?
Okay.
Away. Now the ring finger grabs this edge. Yep. Grabs this edge. Yep.
Okay.
And now it rotates it all the way around. Yep. So this will rotate this way. Yeah.
Wait,
Keep going.
Wait.
Yeah, so you're basically doing the revolution cut. You're doing this.
Yeah.
So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go.
Wow, you do it so fast. I'm like, no. I'm
Can
here.
Corey walk through it? Can she do it? You gave up. You gave up, bro.
No, I'm back.
Doesn't
Right here.
count.
No,
Doesn't
doesn't
count.
count.
Does not count. All right. Yeah, keep going, Corey. And then push up with the index finger. Yeah, and then. Oh, that counts. That counts. Okay. Corey, can you do a tutorial on this for people? I think this is good. Wow.
Oh, it's actually not
Dang.
Make a
bad.
rain.
Only this deck.
That's the Chris Ramsey deck. Chris is not watching this video, but if he is, he would be happy.
And the other Chris is watching.
Chris
is watching.
Chris Brown has this deck. He designed the Orbit deck, and then Chris Ramsey did
What
the
deck
first.
do you have?
Got the Bitcoin cards, the best cards.
Too bad I didn't focus.
It's a manual lens. What do you expect? Wait.
Oh,
All right.
You gotta make it focus on us.
Yeah, boy.
Dang.
Wait. Isn't it?
I like the
Hold
revolution.
on. Am I in focus
People
yet?
ever just do
We
that by
good?
itself?
Yeah, the revolution cut is this. Okay, you're right. Corey's right. I think we should learn the revolution cut right now. So you guys are gonna learn this move, which is kind of the basis for that move you just saw. So let's learn the revolution cut. Let's rewind.
And then this card comes back. Because remember I threw and okay, revolution cut.
I have to be awake in 5 hours because I'm going to Russia. But it's, what is it? What time is it? It's past midnight right now, right?
12:07.
It's past midnight, and I was like, guys, we have to do a tutorial right now.
Because we're doing it.
And we're doing it,
They
so.
said be Andrei's friend. It would be fun. They said.
Okay. And show me how you fan, Corey. This is how you fan.
This is how I can.
This.
Fan.
This is how Corey fans. Angela's like, third wheel. Okay. Yeah. All right. Revolution cut, take 2. So, Charlier grip, mechanics grip. Now you're gonna let the packet drop halfway with the index finger. You're just doing this, hey-ya. So you don't wanna do this. Corey just did one of these, which feels really good. It feels really great. But one card is left, and you don't wanna do that, because that's actually hard to do the revolution cut with one card. So don't do that. Lift up at least half. Boom, 2 fingers, index and thumb. Yeah. So you wanna put your thumb farther, closer to your index. That'll help. Yeah, exactly. Okay, and now ring finger goes all the way to the back where your thumb is. It's weird, but grab it as close as you can. Yes, yes, yes. Got it? Regrip. So now you're grabbing it with just the index and the ring, and you're gonna continue to rotate it. Middle finger helps this not fall out like this. So the middle finger is now on the short edge here. You guys got it?
Yep.
And then you just rotate it all the way and close it. Yeah.
Ah, so it's like the Charlier cut.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah.
That wasn't pretty.
That was good though. Whenever you guys can stumble through a move, that's good enough. And then muscle memory takes over after about 1,000 more of those, so. That's not bad. Corey, you can't let Angelo beat you. To be fair, Corey always wins at Mario Kart, so. We're all watching, Corey. Yes! Yes! We did it! Good
I'm
job.
more excited if I get it right more than him.
Because okay, Angelo used to do cardistry with me. We were in like middle school when we started cardistry, but he stopped doing cardistry. Angelo does a thing or two. He's not bad.
What's your favorite cardistry move?
I don't know.
What can you do the best?
I don't know.
You can spring, right?
Yeah, I can spin. Is that really a move?
Is that really a move, he says? My career has been built on the spring. I agree. You know what? I have an idea though. This is gonna be revolutionary. I'm gonna come around the camera. These guys are going to do this, and then I'm gonna do it from your perspective. My hands are gonna be out of focus, but it's gonna be dope because no one's ever done it before, which doesn't mean it's gonna be good, but it's gonna be the first time
Wait, what?
anyone's ever done that. Oh, bam! All right, ready?
Okay.
So this drops half, right, with the index finger. You regrip with the thumb and index finger, like that, yep. Now this packet gets twisted away. Ring finger grabs to the back where the thumb is, so now you regrip with these 2 fingers like this. Yep, middle finger goes right here on the short edge, so now you're basically grabbing this packet with the thumb and middle finger. Now you riffle down onto the short edge, and you go where the ring finger is.
Just did it.
Yes, yes, yes. Now you rotate that out, let it drop. Thumb goes out. Then this packet does the revolution cut by twisting it away and drop. So, was that revolutionary or what?
Yeah.
I think so too.
God, that was really hard.
I think that was revolution. No one's ever done that before, ever.
Ever.
Ever. Never. Yeah.
Where's
no.
the cardistry strippers?
Make it rain.
Well, Angelo's got the nightclub hat, so
Oh yeah, yeah.
that's cool, guys. I got a pack. I have a plane to catch. What am I doing with my life?
Make
You're right.
content.
Friend
As a magician, you have to have one of these. It's a 2-handed,
Ooh.
but it's really cringe. Like you have to really like be cringy about it.
It reminds me of like Lance Burton, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta be.
See some doves like flying behind your
Yeah.
head.
Go, 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 go.
All right, ready?
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Cringe. This is awkward. I don't know how to outro this video.
Send Andrei on
Nudes.
Instagram or no.
Send Angelo your nudes.
My number is 702-911-1111.
The 702 part is correct, I'll tell you that.
No, do you really like when people send you them doing
Nudes? I've never had nudes sent to me.
the cardistry
You
moves that you
cardistry?
teach?
Nude.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, the cardistry moves that you teach.
What about it?
Like, do you like other people?
What do you mean, do I like it? Like, do I get off on it?
No! Like, seeing other people do it and showing you, like, their progress.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh. Come on. That's not bad. That was one of the two moves that won. You flash, you lose.
I was there. I saw.
He saw it happen in real life. Corey, you just tutorialed my move. You just gave it away.
It was out of frame.
Oh, look, a random couple. I miss Corey. Anyway, this is my trip to go to Moscow. I think my plane is right over there, I think. And this is my television appearance that I got invited to go to one of the primetime television shows in Russia. I'm super excited to show you guys in the next episode what happens. Random escalator shots. Oh, look at this window shot. Now we're on the metro in Moscow with my friend Alexander. If you guys didn't notice already, there's lots of Alexanders in Magic. So this is the underground tunnel to get to the subway station in Russia. And it looks super cool. It's like a mile-long escalator. Let's go catch the subway right now. And there's the train approaching. Take a look. Card flick in the air. And caught in the spring.